even when I was earning, I sometimes felt like I was missing moments that mattered. So, especially with my daughter. So, what else? So that was when I started asking myself deeper questions like, is this the only way life can look for to the next 10 or 15 years of my life? So when I said yes to the digital business, I wasn't just saying yes to another income stream. I was saying yes to growth, flexibility, and future choices. I wanted to build something that would allow me to design life more intentionally, not just living like an autopilot. I also want to prove myself and eventually to my daughter that it's possible to keep learning and evolving and creating opportunities at any stage of life. So, more than the profit, the deeper purpose was ownership of my time and my potential. It became about building something meaningful, not just maintaining what was comfortable. This digital business didn't remove my responsibilities, but it changed how I show up in my life. So today, I still work full time, but I know I have something that is mine to grow step by step. I can work on my digital business from home, after work, or what whenever I have time. That flexibility alone is powerful. It also has given me peace of mind knowing I am building something for the future while still being present for my family today. So I've learned to manage my time better, become more disciplined, and focus on what truly matters in my life. So most importantly, it helped me move from just earning income to building an impact of possibility.